Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about traffic jam. At first we should know what is traffic jam. Traffic jam means a large number of vehicles close together and unable to move or move slowly. In the past we only see traffic jam in big cities streets, but now it has turned daily trips into nightmares. World Bank report says last 10 years traffic speed of Dhaka dropped 21 km per hour to 7 km per hour, and also traffic jam eats 5 million working hours every day and cost the country 11.4 billion every year. Some causes of traffic jam. Our country has full of undisciplined drivers who have no respect for traffic rules, and also Dhaka has more people and fewer roadways. In our country last 20 years roadways increased 1.5%, where the number of travelers and drivers increased 76%. This imbalance between supply and demand lead to more traffic jam. Although we have no control over construction zone or the weather, understanding what causes car crashes, which contribute to 25% of surprise traffic jam. Distracted driving also causes traffic jam. Metro rail project is underway in Dhaka, which took up 50% of the road. We already have not enough roadways, and this project took 50% of the road, which increased more traffic jam. BRT report says that in Dhaka every day more than 200 new cars hit the streets. As the number of car increases, the demand for parking space also increase. But unfortunately, parking space is quite inadequate in our country. Most of the cars are parked on roads, bus and trucks parked on a regular basis on the streets in Mohakali, Saidabad, Gaptoli, Teshgaon, Malibag and other areas. Trucks loads and unload commodity items, constructions materials and other goods in the middle of a road cause traffic jam. According to Bangladesh Road Transport Authority, there are around 3.1 million registered vehicles in Bangladesh, and Dhaka has around 1 million of them. But different studies show that around 5 million vehicles, including the 3.1 million registered, are currently plying the roads. Of them, 72% lack fitness clearance. Solution of traffic jam. So much has been said about how the traffic situation in Dhaka could be improved, but little has been achieved in that regard. To have safe and jam-free roads, you need to have a sound urban transport system and an integrated strategy. Those are things we don't have. Traffic Week. Traffic weeks should be continued for 6 months as observed by Dhaka Metropolitan Police. The service to be provided are: Number 1. Creating awareness, civic sense and consciousness about traffic laws and traffic safety. This should target all the vehicles owners, drivers and passengers. Number 2. Assist disabled, blind, elderly people, children and pregnant women to cross the roads. Ensure that the passenger use to foot over bridge wherever available. Number 3. Ensure that the vehicles do not stop on or over the zebra crossings. Number 4. Brief rickshaw pullers about the benefits of driving and single lines and parking in columns and rows as may be applicable. And number 5. Free footpaths and foot over bridge from hackers. Stop unauthorized parking. We have seen the Dhaka Metropolitan Police initiating some steps to combat illegal parking by introducing while locks. They need to continue with this and on a large scale. This would discourage drivers and or owners from repeating the same offense and would also be a lesson for others to not commit similar violation. Separate office timings could be introduced for all private firms or offices located in DNCC and DSCC. This will reduce traffic jams significantly. Introducing double-decker buses. Bangladesh Road Transport Corporation signed a contract with Ashok Leyland India in August 2018. Under the agreement, India is to procure 300 double-deckers for Bangladesh within 8 months. We do not know how many have been delivered. As a second option, this could be assembled in Bangladesh. There are about 6 to 8 well-established bus assembly plants in Bangladesh who could assemble double-decker buses. All they need to train up some engineers and technicians to improve their capabilities. Even if 6 companies are given the license to assembly, we would have 288 double-decker buses in 2 years, and that reduce traffic jam effectively. By taking those away, we can reduce traffic jam. Thank you everyone for watching our video.